In this video, you will see how to undo on Pages on your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. I will show you two methods. First is using the mouse click and at last the keyboard shortcut. Let's get started. First, if you want to undo using your mouse, then what you need to do is simply click here on the main menu bar on the edit, and here you will see the option of undo typing. You can just click on this option. For example, I am clicking, and as you can see, the hyphen from here has been removed. So if you click one time, it will undo the action one time. If you click again, it will undo the option. So you can click on undo multiple times to undo the actions. At last, the keyboard shortcut. So the keyboard shortcut on Mac Pages is Command Z. Press and hold the Command key and then press Z. So it will undo action one time, and if you press the same combination again, it will again undo the action second time. In this way, you can undo action on Pages. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Mac Pages quickly. See you again in the next one.